Good morning. I am Supriya, third class in Prashanti UP School.
My name is Yadunandan. I am studying third class in Prashanti UP School. Supriya, I am asking some questions.
Okay, sure, Yadunandan.
How did the old woman behave with other villagers?
The old woman was the kind-hearted and helped the villagers in whatever way she could.
What did the old woman's sons want?
The old woman's son wanted riches and wealth.
Who was the old woman's best friend?
The neighbor was the old woman's best friend.
What did the old woman finally ask for?
The old woman finally asked God to bless her so that she could see her grandson drinking milk in a silver bowl.
Whom does the God reward?
The God rewards those who do good